Top 20 Cybersecurity-Based Project Ideas 1. Network Intrusion Detection System, NIDS. Develop an NIDS using machine learning or signature-based approaches to detect and respond to malicious activities on a network. 2. Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing, VAPT. Conduct comprehensive security assessments of systems and networks to identify vulnerabilities and exploit them ethically to improve security posture. 3. Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. Implement a SIEM solution to collect, analyze, and correlate security events across an organization's IT infrastructure for proactive threat detection and response. 4. Blockchain-based secure data sharing platform. Design a decentralized data sharing platform using blockchain technology to ensure data integrity, confidentiality, and accountability. 5. End-to-end email encryption system. Develop a system for encrypting and decrypting emails using public key cryptography to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. 6. Secure IoT device management. Build a framework for securely managing and monitoring Internet of Things, IoT devices, to prevent cyber attacks and ensure data privacy. 7. Web Application Firewall, WAF. Create a WAF to protect web applications from common security threats, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. 8. Digital Forensics Investigation Toolkit. Develop a toolkit for digital forensics analysts to collect, preserve, and analyze digital evidence from computers, mobile devices, and networks. 9. Identity and Access Management, IAM. Implement IAM solutions for managing user identities, authentication, and access control to safeguard sensitive resources and data. 10. Secure Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC. Integrate security practices into the software development process to identify and mitigate security vulnerabilities early in the development lifecycle. 11. Threat Intelligence Platform. Build a platform for aggregating, analyzing, and sharing threat intelligence data to enhance situational awareness and support decision-making in cybersecurity operations. 12. Privacy-preserving data mining techniques. Develop algorithms and protocols for performing data mining while preserving the privacy of sensitive information, ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. 13. Ransomware detection and mitigation. Create techniques and tools to detect and mitigate ransomware attacks, including behavior-based detection, ransomware vaccine development, and recovery strategies. 14. Secure cloud computing infrastructure. Design and implement security controls and best practices for securing cloud-based infrastructure and services to protect data and applications in the cloud. 15. Biometric authentication system. Develop biometric authentication systems using fingerprint, facial recognition, or iris scanning technologies to provide secure and convenient access control mechanisms. 16. Secure mobile application development. Implement security measures and best practices for developing mobile applications to prevent common security threats such as data leakage and unauthorized access. 17. Secure industrial control systems, ICS. Enhance the security of industrial control systems used in critical infrastructure sectors by implementing security controls, monitoring solutions, and incident response mechanisms. 18. Machine learning for cyber threat detection. Utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze network traffic, log data, and user behavior patterns to detect and respond to emerging cyber threats in real time. 19. Secure software-defined networking, SDN. Develop security mechanisms for SDN environments to protect network infrastructure, control plane, and data plane from various cyber attacks and vulnerabilities. 20. Cybersecurity Awareness Training Platform. Create an interactive training platform with modules covering cybersecurity fundamentals, best practices, and simulations of real-world cyber attacks to educate users and promote cyber hygiene.